Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one of the big update on a major story where take place in a dance hall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blogging truth. Now, as suspected by most fans, viewers, and subscribers, the voice heard in the recording of the conversation held between an officer at the Freeport police station in St. James and what seemed to be a deranged individual has no connection to family, Sparta, viewers, and subscribers, and by all indications seemed to be just another young deranged alkaline fan. Now this you get all him mother involved in the situation. Yeah, yes, after the probe was conducted, a fair phone in use. Yo, as a matter of fact, I couldn't hear the voice note, the recording in question, they will continue this.
Cut the phone cut off, man. Cut the phone cut off.
Yo, I'm good man, you know. I feel like I don't want dead for you right now.
Alright, so yes or no? $2 million
Yeah.
must be released within 24 hours.
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station.
Yes, and the $2 million will be there, so. Remember, for the $2 million have to be there, the waiting. If we enter this, so, a problem now if we not see it. And I'm not joking thing. I'm afraid to get shot in my butt, but no, and I'm not that. They're killing me right now, and I'm not. Winter right now, I'm gonna shoot me down, but remember, I'm telling someone I'm gonna go dead, no cap.
And you said this is from the Sparta again?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Yes, now let's get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now the individual along with his mother was arrested in Manchester on Saturday, April 10th, hours after pressure from social media saying, why is it that the place where he want the money for drop off and the individual where he want to get released was bleeped out, but the officer would have talked to him, ask him if a Sparta him represent while making the call. Now the investigation was led by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. Now, officers in a press release said after the phone call was captured on video and had been widely shared via social media, them now say who share it. In the video, a male voice was heard demanding the release of an individual as well as $2 million. Them never tell which currency and him never state neither. Now, sources report that the phone allegedly used to make the call belong to his mother. So all his mother him bring in the fiasco now. Now the JCF also took the opportunity to remind the public that these actions and any similar action force the JCF to utilize resources that could be channeled towards citizens' safety. In addition, these actions have serious implications and persons can be charged. Now, not sure if this individual will be charged. Think about it though, it's surprising to see the person who them try to connect the conversation to. Was it an opportunity used by investigations into Tamale Sparta's case as well, making it circulate on the social media? No, I followed out and I said things like, persons also should be reminded that they should be selective of what they choose to share on social media. This recording happened in the station. Think about it, persons should be mindful and selective of what they choose to share on social media. And the officer will record the conversation at them fair tell this. People reshare it, but that is a reshare. Him and the person who choose to put it on social media, who him send the recording at. I tell you about the unprofessional conduct that cost them and it cost the nation as well. See it? Officers I say, resources were channeled into probing the situation. You know what I mean? Track phone and cell tower and, you know what I mean? Geolocation and things of that nature. To locate an individual who seem for just, you know, be at the range, you to put out a prank card. But what is to be said about the person who record it and share it in the first place? Now, truth be told, viewers and subscribers, this recording and its circulation through the social media channels have done a few things. One, they have continued to keep Tamale Sparta as a topic of discussion in the media. It has also served to further demonize Tamale Sparta and his character, with people already are called for him to be charged with them here. And this was the attempt all along for have the case tried in the media. And with all of what them put out, remember, we're not getting nothing from the defense side. All we are getting are the different pieces of the investigation. One say, yo, the ballistics report run, the weapon used to do all kind of things. Then these high profile cases that it connected to as well. People are asked if this case will be tried, if them are going to just forget so this case take place. People already are called for Tamale Sparta to be sentenced, even though them don't know the full story. It not reached trial phase yet. Them still investigate. It's an ongoing investigation. The fact is that the matter was made public by investigators, as if it reached trial stage. Normally when it reached trial stage and certain things are being discussed, you don't know, after a court proceeding is held, it becomes public knowledge and then we can discuss what take place. So people feel like it reached trial stage and people already say, well, he might get convicted, he might get life, he might get this. And that is what these bits of information have done to further demonize Tamale Sparta. Remember, there's already been talk of reprisal. There's already been talk of safety concerns. It's not a simple case, it's as simple as it might sound to you just hear and say, alright, in the plea guilty already, but the weapon used to do some things. I don't might feel like I just eat that. No, I not just eat that. New charges can be filed. A new case can be at play. It's only because, as we say, they are still investigating the matter. Them still a check to see if it do anything else. It not stop ya, so. Them still a cross-reference it with ballistics report from cases where, you know, in other parishes. It will take quite some time. It not just happen overnight. What was surprising is, it was held in Kingston. And these high-profile cases took place in Kingston. So, at the same parish. Them should have the report from the next day or within the week. We have seen them retrieve it in a matter of hours. Now, truth be told, there is the possibility that charges will not be filed. But the fact that this has now already started to circulate the media, mainstream media, social media, you name them, people are already looking to see a case put together. And by doing that, they are forcing the justice system to react. As in most people, most fans, well-wishers, people look into the case and see what take place. All we can say is we hope the family members of those named see through the deception. Want them look into it for themselves and realize what take place. And not just jump to conclusion as many members of society has chosen to do. Whole heap of people already convict Tamale Sparta in their mind already. Same thing them do with Vibes Cartel. Claims that they might have a video recording, put out the manipulated, the spliced voice notes to make it look like, say, yeah, a type of conversation was taking place to demonize the character of the individuals. Talk to my viewers and subscribers. I don't know how to feel about the entire happenings. The probe was conducted, at least for the better part. In this situation, we realize it has been made public that this voice recording has nothing to do with Tamale Sparta, viewers and subscribers. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I am reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Yeah man, the like icon there, you drop a like on the blog, bust a share on the vlog. In truth, tell a friend, tell them sister, them brother, them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion, comment section with me 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, first and foremost, I move settings fam. And no, we don't need none of that. My sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.